Hey folks, well it's time to track turtles again, and I've got a whole posse of turtle hunters here to follow us into the woods and find Jimmy Irwin, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves, so here they are.
I'll grab it.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Jordan, hey, what's your name?
Jack.
I thought you were Superman. See your shirt? Jack, what's your name?
Adam.
Adam, what's your name back there?
Ryan.
Hey Ryan.
Karsten.
Karsten.
David.
Hey David. And?
This is Elijah.
This is Elijah. And what's your name? Elizabeth. And?
Heather.
Heather, of course. All right, guys, guess who's first? Karsten, you're leading us to the turtle. So I'm going to run down here, and you just follow me, all right? Okay, stop right there. Turn around slowly in a circle and see where the loudest beep is. Seems like it's loud all around you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that means I have to adjust it. What do you think? Which way? Turn it around and see which way's the loudest signal. It is like the jungle, you're right.
I think
Went that way. Swing around. Oh, that's a loud beep, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go a little farther. Come right over here. Okay, now swing around in a slow circle and see if you can figure out where he is. What do you think? Ooh, it's really loud right here, isn't it?
It's that way.
I think it is. So, I'll tell you what, let me see that tracking device, okay? Tell you what, let's wait till, oh, let's stay right there. All you little guys, come right down here, okay? Come a little closer so all the grown-ups can get here. All right. Now, I think the turtle is very close by. I'm going to use the tracking device and try to find him here in just a second, okay? Let me see that antenna. We got thunder coming, so we're going to find this turtle really quick.
Well, when it's not going to rain. It's not going to rain.
I'll hold it.
It might not.
Super sky, super cloudy sky. If it rains a little bit, it'll stop a little bit.
If it starts raining hard, we'll run away, but if it doesn't rain hard, we'll be fine. If it doesn't rain at all, we should be all right. Should be. He was right here the other day. Oh, he is. I found him.
Guys,
that quick.
They found the turtle.
Now, don't go get him yet. I'm going to get him out and show him to you first. You see that camera, and I'll show him to you where he's sitting. So let me show you. Okay, everybody, come take a look. He's right down there. There he is. Now I'm going to get him out. Take a look down there. You can see his shell. Look, everybody, take a look.
I already saw a shell.
See him? Everybody, take a look. And I'm going to get him out and let you meet him. Okay? Let me get him out. Back up just a little. If I can get him, there's a fence in the way. He's on the other side of the fence. And he's running away.
I can get him. I can go on the other side of the fence and get him.
I got him. I just got to figure out how to get him through the fence.
No wire.
I don't know how he got through the fence. Oh my gosh, this isn't Jimmy. This is a new turtle.
That's a new turtle?
Yeah. Check this out, guys. A new turtle. This is not Jimmy. This is somebody different. No, so Jimmy's nearby. Oh, it's a girl. That explains a lot. Yeah, you can touch him. Now, don't touch his face. Her face, I'm sorry. And if he has claws. Now, look on his beak. You see that slimy goo?
Yeah.
You know what that is? It's slug juice.
Who he's been eating?
He's been eating slugs. Oh, that's okay. Go ahead. So, what do you guys think of this? Oh, you don't need to hold that. It's okay. What do you guys think of this? We just found a new turtle. This is like unprecedented. It's very rare for a group of you turtle hunters to come out to find Jimmy, to find a new turtle.
We found a new turtle.
Yeah. Heather, you want to hold him for a second?
Sure.
I got to find Jimmy now. He's nearby. Okay, let me see that. Let me see that.
You see all that juice? I see that. You see that orange goop? Mr. Steve said that's from him eating a slug.
I'm not really a...
That's slug juice. She was eating a slug, and she needs a napkin.
She does need a napkin.
She needs a bit of a napkin.
I'm gonna find one more turtle.
Here comes Steve looking for a turtle with his turtle tracker.
She's not super happy about me holding her, I don't think.
There's turtle trails all over the place now.
You better go. You better go now.
It's where the turtles have been potting. The potty spot.
We gotta go now.
The potty spot for the
So
turtles.
I've seen a two-headed turtle.
A two-headed turtle.
A black turtle. On my computer.
On your computer?
I mean, my mom's computer. And I saw a two-headed human.
A two-headed human.
And
That sounds like...
on a computer, snake. A five-headed snake and a two-headed snake.
Wow.
Yeah.
That sounds like there's been some...
A five-headed
Photoshopping.
Actually,
snake looked like
it's a
a
natural
finger.
phenomenon.
Looked like
It's
a
a genetic
hand, but instead
mutation.
of the fingers were heads.
The fingers were heads.
It's like a somewhat
looked
common
like
mutation in snakes.
Yeah. It looked
We,
like
looked
there
it
was
up
like the
'cause
body
Carson-
is a snake, and then
So here's
it looked
Steve
like a
looking
hand with the
for the snake. Oh,
but
we hear the
these were
beeping.
heads.
The beeping is
And
beeping.
then the arm
Here he
was the
comes.
tail.
Here
So
he
we're going to have
comes.
to name this one.
Can I
Yep.
hold that? Can I hold
What do you
that,
think we
Mommy?
could name
I'm
her?
filming him right now.
What would be a good
As long
name
as you're
for the
filming,
turtle?
that's fine. You just have to keep
I
him
want
in
to
the...
film him.
Okay, hold it just
Where
like
is he?
that and keep it on
Ryan
Steve
or Jack,
looking
can
for
you think
this
of
turtle.
names for this girl turtle?
You need
Because
to get
she's
closer.
new.
Go ahead and get close.
We're looking for Jimmy because we know Jimmy exists and he already has a name. But she's
He's
new.
gone into the bush.
Can we give her a name?
He's got in the bush.
What's her name going to be,
She
guys?
can be.
How about Ruby for red eyes? Do they have red eyes, the females?
Yeah, she does.
Where's she going in the bush?
Ruby? You find rubies in the creeks in this area.
That's great. I like
Mom, don't you flower?
that was almost
I'm not
Iris's
normally a
name.
name giver, but it just came to me. Not normally.
Pressure to names.
Carson, maybe you should walk a little closer into the bush there
Girl names picked out.
and film him in there. You see Steve?
I don't see him. No, I can't.
Okay, well, maybe we should come over here and film the girl.
She's getting...
Film the girl.
Ruby. Ouch, Ruby.
Move the camera real slow. You don't move too fast. You can make people dizzy.
New one on the block. New chick on the block.
Back up the trail the way you came down.
Okay, so keep going.
Bring the
Follow
turtle.
Jordan, Carson. Follow
Okay.
Jordan. Ooh, Ruby.
Can I film
Just
down?
step over.
Keep going. Just keep filming
Step
it.
over
Keep
it.
walking.
Good job.
Look, there he is.
We're coming.
Good boy.
We'll put it on Ruby.
Good job.
In here.
Got it. I touched whoever called him. Made it.
No, he's over here. The signal must have been bouncing. You can get what's called a signal bounce, and it totally throws you off. But what's really cool is we found a new turtle, and we thought it was Jimmy. So let's go right up here and around the fence.
We gave her a name.
We gave her a name.
What'd you name him?
Ruby.
Ruby?
Her eyes are red.
Perfect.
Mom.
Jimmy and Ruby.
No, Mommy's down.
Sitting in a tree.
Turtles do not sit in trees.
I won't do the
I'm going
rest.
to try to find him real quick. He's got to be right over here. And there's Jimmy down here in the briars. I got him. And there he is. I got him. You're right. And that's his antenna.
Oh yeah, that's some sort of tracking device.
Yeah.
We found him.
There he is. Here you go. Touch him.
He's really big. He's really big.
Anybody want to hold him?
Yeah.
Anybody want to touch him? Just touch him, because Now you see boys have bright red eyes. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, really? That's the difference.
That is. Boys have bright red eyes and girls have brown eyes typically.
What is the
You can touch him.
His legs are so much more orange.
They're oranger. Boys are typically prettier. They're more like the girls in other animals. Maybe.
Or she's like a real antenna.
Kind of freaked out. That's a real antenna. Uh-huh. Now look on his foot. What's on his beak?
Slug juice.
That's right.
He's got slug juice.
He's got slug juice too. This time of year, there's a lot of slugs moving, so the turtles are eating a lot of slugs. So if you ever wonder what the purpose of box turtles are, well, it's eating slugs and things that would bother your garden.
Me too.
You're hungry? You want to have some turtle soup?
No.
Good job. That's exactly what I wanted you to say. No, nobody should eat turtles.
Well, I want to my nice noodles Mom brought with me. Hey, I want to eat.
Okay, guys, do you hear that?
Yep.
I think it's probably time we head back. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, before we go, what did you think about this experience?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you learn a lot?
Yes.
What'd you learn?
Yes. Don't eat turtle soup.
Excellent. Don't eat turtle soup. And how about that? Turtles are important too, just like everything else.
Don't eat slug soup.
Don't eat slugs.
What's
That's
this
great.
kind of insect?
Nice. Looks like a leaf bug of some kind. He won't hurt you. I'm going to put Jimmy back, and then we're going to head up to the nature center. Hang on just a second.
Do you want Ruby?
Yeah, you hold on to her. We got to take her with us. So I'm going to put Jimmy back right where we found him, right here. See you later, Jimmy. He's ready to go.
I think it's because this girl has never.
You did. And you named it Ruby. That's so cool, guys. Good job. Let's head back.
Someday you may forgive me for leaving you all alone, but I can't deny the wanderlust and the call of the open road. Out on the open road, I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Well, a rambling man is a rambling man is a rambling